Does Nifty performance correlate to US dollar INR in short run or long run? Or do you really know that what happens when the US dollar becomes stronger against the INR? What happens to the Nifty, or overall, what is the impact to the stocks, or vice versa? In this video, this is going to be short and very crisp to the point video. I will decode the correlation between currency value, US dollar INR, and Nifty index in India. At the end of the video, you will have a good understanding from the past historical trend what happens when USD to INR increases or goes down. So let's get straight into it. Hi, my name is Shivendra Bhatia. I'm a founder of Peaceful Weekend Investing Hub, trying to make investing simple, easy, and accessible for busy professionals like you. If you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified my new video, which I keep coming out regularly. And also, if you're liking our content, do give a thumbs up. That encourages us to make more video like these. So let's go straight into it. So before I get into the details, I want to talk about Granger causality test. This is a kind of statistical hypothesis to determine whether one time series is useful in forecasting another, and first proposed in 1969. So this has been around long time now. So I found a thesis which was done by Vijay Victor, Deben, and Menu and Farhane. So all credit goes to them. So they did a complete investigation between dynamic interlinkage between exchange rates and NSE Nifty index. And very interestingly, this was done very recently. So they have taken the data of 13 years from 2005 to 2018, and the result revealed that there is no evidence for stable long-run relationship between Nifty index and exchange rate under study. However, war-based Granger causality test shows that the USD, JPY, CNY have a short-run causal relationship with NSE Nifty. So if a lot of people talking, if you see all the news media is talking about, oh, the USD INR is in 75 and whatnot, and there's a big correction expected. So please do refer to this thesis, which was done by the great team Vijay, Deben, Menu, and Farhane, because at the end of the day, don't get panic and just focus on the right stocks. And I'm sharing this because nobody's talking about it, and I want to make sure that you cut the noise and focus on having right stocks. Yes, there can be softness as they have done the analysis and also talking about it. Let me take you through the chart. First part, which is on the top, you see US dollar INR, and below is a Nifty. Both are monthly chart. I have aligned it so we can see side by side and see what is the correlation, and probably try to find out what was the investigation done based on Granger causality test, and also done by the thesis done by the Deben, Vijay, Menu, and Farhane, and try to analyze what their finding was. Obviously, they have done a comprehensive study, and I will share the link below so that you can read through it if you're interested. But let's try to analyze what happens. Right now, as you can see, there's a lot of buzz about that the Nifty, the US dollar INR has reached 75, so we need to be cautious. Yes, one has to be cautious about it, but at the same time, let's try to see what happened when the Nifty had this drop. This was obviously the COVID drop, so at that moment of time, you can see the US dollar INR was at the peak as well. So what the correlation is, every time whenever there is a dip in Nifty, we see there is a rise in US dollar INR. And let's go and try to correlate that in this peak. Okay, let's look at this this kind of bottom or trough. There was a kind of a dip on US dollar INR, which means the US dollar has gone weakened against INR, and you can see there was a similar kind of pattern here as well in Nifty as well. So there was kind of not exactly the significant dip, but obviously there was a dip. Let's go to this peak. This peak where it was around 73. there was a dip in Nifty. Likewise, when there was a dip here in this particular section, which you can see here, let me highlight. I'm just trying to compare this section. If there was a dip here in January and the same time there was a peak formed in Nifty. Likewise, if you go here, there was a peak in US dollar INR. Below in the, if you look at the line here in the bottom below, which is kind of coincides with the peak here, you have a correction in Nifty. Likewise, let's look at this peak. There was kind of a dip as well. When there was a trough here, a bottom, as you can see, Nifty was rising and there was a dip in the USD INR. So there is a clear correlation which is inverse in nature. And let's try and look at it. What happened here? There was a peak formed. There was also kind of a dip formed here, and there was a correction. This is a monthly chart, so obviously you don't see too much of noises, but you get an idea what happens in the event when there is a Nifty rises. You see there is a INR USD INR relationship is inverse in nature. There is you see there's a huge dip which has happened in USD in the stock market in Nifty from 2008 to 2009, and look at the peak which was formed in USD INR, which was around $50 rupees against a USD. So, and there was a dip in the USD INR. So basically INR got stronger. It was on 38 rupees, and there was a strong rally which you see in the Nifty. So there is a clear correlation which is inverse in nature, and it is available. Obviously, that doesn't mean that we become so bearish about it. Again, I'm sharing this as a disclaimer only for education purposes. There's no advice that you start selling your shares or be in a panic mode. I'm just trying to share with you what was an investigation done by this thesis, which is published in Journal of Risk and Financial Management, which is a fantastic study. You should read that. And also I've shared with you my analysis. Yes, you have to be cautious, and I am, but doesn't mean that I will start selling in panic mode. I hope this was powerful for you and you're able to get a great value out of this content. If that was the case, type powerful in the comment box below. I will be sharing more such videos, so do encourage by giving a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified with my next video as soon as I release. Thank you. Bye-bye.